Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, I'm so excited today to introduce you to a very amazing, unique, lovely website. That's for Nikah website. The web app it's only purely for those people that are so serious about marriage, inshallah. So it will be helpful for everyone. If I'm just going to show you quickly the interface, what's going on. If you go to the website, for sure, like don't forget it, islamicnikah.net here. So you can see this lovely website. The web app, if you look around, you can see from the left side, you can just see this logo, and that's even the logo is a meaning. It has a very deep meaning behind it. Islamic Nikah completes half your deen. This is inshallah is going to be for everyone. What you see here, register, login. So if you haven't registered yourself, it deserves it. Trust me, just I promise it's gonna be something that you really like it. You're gonna love it. Here in the bottom, you can just see those social media. You can follow it up, and on the YouTube channel, you can see more about the video stuff, and or any other posts for those social media. You can follow it up. But here, what you can see, if I'm just going to first explain what is it, why Islamic Nikah is unique, it says that if you just go to about, here it says that. So, like our platform offers a unique Sharia compliant approach to facilitating Islamic Nikah. That's the most important. If you consider your religious stuff, this is for you guys. Like this is only for serious people that they really mean to getting married. Is not to consumers. No time wasting here. So if inshallah when you get a chance, just read it about it more. So here, if you go to why Islamic Nikah, here the important point, inshallah, when you get it, just as I said, read it those when you get a chance. And so here, the most important thing here is very simple steps. Here's in this web app, there is no chatting, no khalwa, no calling, nothing. You can just do it one thing. You as a brother, if you liked her profile, she liked you back, go to meeting. That's it. Or you as a sister liked his profile, he liked you back, go to meeting. Regardless, if you liked each other, done. That's it. So that's why it's so simple, but it's amazing. It's very something that inshallah Allah loves it. So here, if you go to frequently asked question, and so those questions that people mostly they have it, and please you can read it whatever you want it. So for example, if you like it, say, can I delete my account anytime? You can just read it yes for sure. If you any other question, just click it simple. Like you can just see the answer under that question. So if in case you have a question more, you can just go to contact at islamicnikah.net, send an email, and I'm pretty sure the staff is going to help you and they're going to answer you as soon as possible. So that was a very quick review about like the website, how is it, a very brief introduction. I'll explain more about the registrations, login, and dashboard and everything in the next videos. And inshallah, stay tuned. Till then, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.